Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, LTZ Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, rear vision camera and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.